Hi, my name is Brenda Thompson, registered dietitian and owner of Life Skills Nutrition. In this segment, I'm going to talk about the dangers of fad diets. Losing more than 2 pounds a week on the average may cause any of the following. The first one is dehydration. It's very important that our body is hydrated so that it can function fully, and dehydration can become extremely dangerous. A fad diet can also show mood swings, and none of us want that. They also can provide a lack of energy, muscle loss. A lot of high protein diets with low carbohydrate will show some muscle loss. They also can show calcium loss. Many fad diets will put stress on the kidneys, so if there are a lot of urinary tract infections or kidney infections, this may be caused to fad diets. Sometimes fad diets also put a lot of stress on the heart. Depending on the regimen, there may be a lot of fat or cholesterol added to the diet. There also can be stress on the digestive system. If the diet is not balanced and there's not enough fiber in the diet, then there can be some digestive distress. Fad diets can also decrease your immune system because of the lack of nutrients that it provides. And then also, the most important is fad diets can also have nutrient deficiencies. Some of these deficiencies can cause depression and other things, skin irritations, and so sometimes they can be very extremely dangerous. So you should always consult your dietitian and doctor before starting a diet regimen.